parts of a brush. This is the tuft of the brush. Tuft. This is the ferrule of the brush. And this is the handle of the brush. Okay. In the tuft, this is the tip of the brush. Middle part is the belly. And this is the heel of the brush. This is the ferrule which contains these bristles. These are the bristles of the brush. This is a round-bodied brush. These are two important types of brush. One is, this is round-bodied brush, a round brush, and this is a flat brush. This is a mop brush for washes. This is a flat brush for washes. Chinese calligraphy brush. This is Kolinsky brush, round-bodied brush. Liner brush. This is angled brush. This is dagger brush. This is fan brush. This is filbert brush. Round brush. So, first you can write with a round brush. You can sign with a round brush. You can draw a line. You can draw like this. Vary pressure and do it. You can make roses. Then you can make a stem. Christmas is here, so you can draw a Christmas tree. So you vary the pressure. Lovely, isn't it? You can make an eye. You can make the lips. This is also a type of round brush, and what you can do with it, you can make washes. You can spread the color evenly. Flat brush. Flat brush. So you can draw a line. thin line, thick line, pattern, you can draw. A hut, a tree, for the sky you can use the wash. You can make the wash with the 1-inch flat brush. The sky, the ocean, filbert brush. The tip is rounded, so you can handled. Dagger, more pronounced. Fan brush, for textures. Rigger brush for signature. And for fine lines, grass, or fine details. Fine details.